All right, you guys, I added a few bags of ramen noodles right into my baking dish. Now you're gonna take these noodles, see how they're double layer, and you're gonna carefully separate them so there's 2 layers. You wanna go through and you wanna do that to all of your ramen noodles. Look, we're just making a nice layer right here on the bottom of our baking dish. That looks great. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna grab some American cheese singles. You wanna grab those right out, and nice and quickly, we are going to unwrap these pieces of American cheese, and you are going to lay them right on top of those ramen noodles that we just placed at the bottom of your baking dish. We're putting our last piece of cheese down, and we're gonna come in and we're gonna put one more layer of noodles right on top, you guys. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is gonna bake. It's gonna be super tasty. You can use any kind of cheese that you want, although I think that this American cheese gives a nice creaminess into this dish, and I love that. So here we have some frozen broccoli, and we're gonna lay this frozen broccoli right on top. Let's see, you know what? I'm not gonna use the entire bag. You can if you want, that's fine. I guess it depends how much you like broccoli. And of course, you can add another veggie right in here too if you wish. Let me know, what do you think would go good with this dish? I thought broccoli would be a great pair. Some chicken here, guys. We got some raw chicken. I just went ahead and I diced it all up already. I trimmed that chicken up and I just diced it. I thought maybe about using full big pieces, but I think that this is gonna be easier in the end when it's all done. You guys, this nice budget-friendly, super tasty dinner. This is looking so good. Now remember those seasoning packets we set aside? Go ahead and grab a few of those. I think I'm gonna use 3, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna season all over the top onto this chicken and onto that broccoli. Some of that seasoning will just soak down into those noodles, and it's just gonna bring out that flavor, that chicken flavor. And you know what else I'm thinking right now when I'm doing this is there's a couple different types of flavors of ramen noodles, right? There's quite a few actually. What's your favorite? Are you gonna switch this up anyway? Let me know in the comments. What is your favorite type of ramen noodle? Okay, that looks good. I think that chicken and all of that stuff is nice and seasoned, so let's move on. We have some chicken broth here, so I'll give that a shake. Now, if you don't have chicken broth on hand, I'm sure water would be just fine. The chicken broth is gonna give it just a little bit more flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna fill up 2 cups of liquid right here into my measuring cup. Ooh, it smells so good. And we're just gonna pour that all on the top of those noodles, just like so. Some of the water, or some of the broth, I'm sorry, is gonna be sitting on the bottom, and that is okay. That is gonna get hot, it's gonna boil, and it's gonna help those noodles cook. Okay, moving on, we have some sharp cheddar cheese, and of course, we are just gonna top this with some of the sharp cheddar cheese all on the top. Ooh, we have a cheesy, noodly casserole here going on, guys. Super easy to throw together. We got our veggies, we got some meat in here, some protein, some noodles. It's a one-stop shop. Okay, that looks like enough cheese for me. Easy peasy. All we have to do now is pop it in the oven at 350. We're gonna cook it for probably about 30 to 35 minutes, and stick around because you are gonna love this easy dinner. All right, yes, I have been waiting for this moment. Ooh, it smells like chicken goodness and noodles in here. Oh, I'm in love. You guys, the cheese melted perfectly. I can see all of those noodles in there are baked good, and also that broccoli. Look at that. I'm gonna just come in. Ooh, it's nice and soft. I think this is gonna be so tasty. Let's get a big scooping. Look at those noodles. Oh, and you know what? Here, let's untuck these. Look at that cheesiness on the inside. Oh, I am so excited about that. Let's plop it right in. Oh, those look so, so good. I wanna make sure I get all those toppings in there. What an easy meal, you guys. We have our chicken. Oh, let's get that little chicken there. We have our chicken, our broccoli. Oh, those noodles, that look so good. Oh, this looks so tasty. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So many ways, you guys. What is your favorite way to eat ramen noodles? What are you adding in? I want to know your favorite kind of ramen noodle. Are you going to add anything else? Are you going to do anything different? Tell me all about it. What is your easy, budget-friendly recipe? I hope you like this one, you guys. I'm going to dig in. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.